Hello friends, welcome to Tips for Life YouTube channel. Do you know that what are the habits that cause cancer? Okay, let's go to the video. There are a variety of habits that have been linked to an increased risk of developing cancer. Some of these habits include smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and exposure to certain chemicals and pollutants. Smoking is the leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide, and it is also a major contributor to the development of cancer. Smoking cigarettes or other tobacco products can increase the risk of developing lung cancer, throat cancer, and several other types of cancer, including bladder, kidney, and cervical cancer. The chemicals in tobacco smoke, such as tar and nicotine, are known to damage DNA and other genetic material in cells, which can lead to the development of cancer. Excessive alcohol consumption is another habit that has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Drinking too much alcohol can increase the risk of developing cancer of the liver, colon, rectum, and breast. Alcohol can also increase the risk of developing other types of cancer, such as throat and mouth cancer. The exact mechanism by which alcohol increases the risk of cancer is not entirely understood, but it is thought to involve the metabolism of alcohol in the body, which can lead to the formation of cancer-causing substances. Poor diet is another habit that has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. A diet that is high in processed foods, red meats, and sugary drinks can increase the risk of developing cancer. Eating a diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, on the other hand, can help to lower the risk of cancer. Studies have shown that certain nutrients found in fruits and vegetables, such as antioxidants and phytochemicals, may help to protect cells from damage and prevent the development of cancer. Lack of physical activity is another habit that has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Being physically inactive can increase the risk of developing cancer of the colon, breast, and endometrium. Regular physical activity, on the other hand, can help to lower the risk of cancer by helping to control weight, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Exposure to certain chemicals and pollutants is another habit that has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Certain chemicals, such as pesticides and industrial chemicals, have been found to increase the risk of cancer. Exposure to air pollution and radiation can also increase the risk of cancer. To lower the risk of cancer, it is important to avoid exposure to these chemicals and pollutants as much as possible. In addition to these habits, there are also several other factors that can increase the risk of developing cancer. These include exposure to certain viruses and bacteria, such as the human papillomavirus, HPV, and the hepatitis B and C viruses, and certain inherited genetic mutations. Overall, there are many habits that can increase the risk of developing cancer. By making changes to these habits, such as quitting smoking, drinking less alcohol, eating a healthy diet, getting regular physical activity, and avoiding exposure to certain chemicals and pollutants, it is possible to lower the risk of cancer. It is important to talk with a healthcare professional to learn more about cancer risk and how to reduce it. Additionally, regular cancer screening tests, such as mammograms and colonoscopies, can help to detect cancer early, when it is most treatable. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for next videos. Goodbye.